sing first our good morning song. Put your hands together. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. Oh, how do you do? I am very well. I am very well. I am very well. Thank you. Good morning, K3. For today, we will be learning new lesson in math. But before that, I want to ask you a question. What time is it? Oh, do you know what time is it now? Oh, okay, because for today, we will be learning about time. Can you say it again? Time. What do we use for us to know the time? We use a clock or watch. Okay, do you know how to read the time in a clock? Well, don't worry, because for today, you will learn how to read time using the clock. Okay, are you ready to learn? Alright. So this is our improvised block. We can see numbers and also two arrows or two hands. First, we have the long hand. This can tell us the minute by minute in a time. And also we have the short hand, which can tell us the hour. Okay? So now we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we can tell the time when this shorthand moves to different number like this. And in here, it will stay on number 12 because we're just gonna talk about the hour. So first, how do we tell the time? What if the arrow goes to number 1? If the arrow is pointing to number 1, the time is 1 o'clock. Can you say 1 o'clock? One more time. If it's on number 1, the time is 1 o'clock. Now, let's move the arrow to number 2. Who can tell me what time is it? It's very easy. Yes, the time is 2 o'clock. Can you say it again? 2 o'clock. Very good. Now let's move the arrow to number 3. What time is it? Correct. The time is 3 o'clock. Can you say it again? 3 o'clock. Very good. Let's move on. Let's go to number 4. Who can tell me what time is it now? Yes, correct. The time is already 4 o'clock. Can you say it again? 4 o'clock. Very good. Now let's move the arrow to number 5. Oh, what time is it now? What time is it? It's already 5 o'clock. Can you say it again? 5 o'clock. Very Very good. Now let's move the arrow to number 6. Who can tell me what time is it? Yes, it's already 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Very good. Now, what if the arrow will move to number 7? What time is it? Yes, you're right. It's already 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Very good. Now, let's move the arrow to number 8. What time is it? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Very good. Let's move the arrow to number 9. 9. What time is it? It's already 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Very good. Then let's move the arrow to number 10. And the time is already 10 o'clock. Very good. How about if it goes to number 11? What time is it? It's already 11 o'clock. Can you say? 11 o'clock. Very good. And the last one, when it goes to number 12. Oh no, what time is it? 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Very good. Now we're gonna play a short game. I'm gonna move the arrow to different numbers and you need to tell me what time is it. Are you ready? Ding, ding, ding. What time is it? Who can tell me? Go, go, go. Who can tell me what time is it now? Oh, time's up. What's your answer? Correct. It's already 7 o'clock. Good job. Next, what if the arrow will move to oops, number 1? What time is it? Who can tell me? Oh, let's see if you're correct. Yes, it's already 1 o'clock. Very good. And the last one, let's see if you're correct. Ding, ding, ding. What time is it? Look at carefully. What time is it now? Who can tell me? Let's see if you're correct. Yes, it's already 10 o'clock. Very good. Okay, for your activity this morning, I want you to get your worksheet like this. So what you're going to do today is just to play with the puzzles. But you need to be very careful. You need to look at the time carefully so that you can match the puzzles correctly. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. So now I will show you some examples so that it will be easy for you to play the puzzles later. And I want you to always remember that when you want to write the time by hour like this, you need to first write the number and then write 2 zeros. For example, we have here number 8. And we read this in time as 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Next, we have 11 o'clock. Next, we have 12 o'clock. And we have 7 o'clock. Now, what you're going to do is to look the short hand in this clock and then match the correct time. Okay, so let's start. Over here, what number can you see? Correct. It's facing on number 12. So what time is it? Who can tell me? Is it 8, 11, 12, or 7 o'clock? Yes, you're correct. The answer is 12 o'clock. Now, let's match the puzzle correctly like this. Ding, ding, ding. Over here, look. It's 12 o'clock. Very good. Now, let's move this. Next. What number can you see? Oh, it's facing to number 11. Now, who can tell me what time is it? Is it 8 o'clock, 11 o'clock, or 7 o'clock? Who can tell me? Yes, you're right. The answer is 11 o'clock. Now let's match the puzzle. Ready? Ding, ding, ding. Oops. Yes, the time is 11 o'clock. Very good. Now let's move to the next clock. Look at the clock. What number is this? Correct. Number 7. Now, who can tell me what time is it? Is it 8 o'clock? 7 o'clock? Who can tell me? Yes, you're right. The time is 7 o'clock. Let's go and match the number over here. Are you ready? Correct. It's 7 o'clock. And the last one, we have here number 8. Who can tell me what time is it? Number 8 is 8 o'clock. Yes, correct. Now let's match the puzzle. Ready? Oops. Yay, it's 8 o'clock. Now let's review all the time. We have 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and 8 o'clock. Now for your activity, I want you to let your mom take a picture of you while you're doing the puzzle. Okay? And you send it to our line group. So that is all for today. And we're gonna see each other again tomorrow. Now let's sing our goodbye song. Goodbye, 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 thank you. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, Kate.